Hi, this is Mary Kissel from the Daviess County Audubon Society. All of us had hoped to be having some birding lessons this spring, but the pandemic had other ideas. So we're going to be presenting a series of video lessons that focus on one particular bird per session that has just arrived back in Daviess County. Today, on Bird is a Word, we're going to be looking at rose-breasted grosbeaks. Let's look at the word grosbeak. When I say gross, you probably think of things that are kind of yucky. But this is gros, which is French for big. So think of it as a big beak bird. Rose-breasted grosbeaks are slightly smaller than a robin, about 8.5 inches tall. The males have black heads and backs and wings with white wing bars. But the most striking trait is its pink bib. Look at that beak, that cone-shaped beak. What does that remind you of? I think you already know a cousin of the rose-breasted grosbeak. They're in the same family as northern cardinals, and so they use those big beaks whenever they crack open seed. We've talked about the males. Here is a female grosbeak. I always think of it as a giant sparrow, brown and streaked, with white streaks around the eye. Why do you think they're so plain? It's something we talk about a lot at Girls Incorporated. The need to be camouflaged so she can protect her young. Now, grosbeaks don't have their young here in Kentucky. They opt to breed in Canada and other parts of the United States. Together, the male and the female build really flimsy nests of sticks, twigs, grasses, weed stems, decayed leaves or straw, and they line it with fine rootlets, twig, or hair. Sometimes you can see the eggs through it because it's so flimsy. But because they use forked twigs as a foundation, it works. They also take turns sitting on the nest. One will take the day shift, the other the night shift. And whenever they switch places, they will softly sing to each other. Both males and females have been observed warding off predators in a 2-acre area. They're great parents. And here you can see the eggs. They lay up to 5 inches, and they're kind of light green to light blue and speckled. Now, grosbeaks have a sweet melodious song. They're kind of like robins, but it's prettier. Take a listen. Isn't that pretty? I think it's really, really pretty. Well, now that you know a little bit about rose-breasted grosbeaks, it's time to take our at-home challenge. Draw your own rose-breasted grosbeak. Remember, black head, black back, white belly, white on the wings, and a beautiful pink bib. So bring out your crayons or your pencils, and we hope to see you in a couple of days when we're going to learn about a new bird. Thanks.